Give meanings. Balsam, a plant usually with pink or white flowers grown in gardens. Stunted, slowed down or stopped. Struck her as odd, seemed very strange. Surmise, guess. Mauve, of a pale purple color. Knew no bounds, had no limits. Ridicule, unkind laughter. Deter, discourage. Mission, an important task undertaken. Dejected, sad, disappointed. Stunned, astonished and amazed. Phenomenon, something that is very unusual. Applauded, showed praise by clapping. Pulled up, told someone they had done something wrong. Read the story and complete the following. At first, Revati's plants did not look normal and healthy because they had pale green leaves and their growth was stunted due to insufficient sunlight. When Revati played her favorite raga, the plants began to move because they liked the music she was playing. Revati's grief knew no bounds because she could not find her pot of balsam plants. Revati was confident of proving her ownership of her pot of plants because she knew that her plants loved music and would respond to her favorite raga. They would bend their stems towards her, proving that they were hers. Revati won the prize for the best plant because her plants were the best looking and the healthiest. Answer in your own words. What did Revati discover about her balsam plants? Revati discovered that her balsam plants were not only taller and healthier than the other balsam plants, but they had started flowering earlier too. The flowers were big and brightly colored, and one of the plants had an unusual kind of flower. She also discovered that while the plants liked her favorite tune, they did not like the tune with a quick rhythm. Why did she decide to keep her new knowledge a secret? Revati decided to keep her new knowledge a secret. Perhaps she felt that it was something only between her and her beloved plants whom she considered her friends. Or perhaps she felt that nobody would believe her if she mentioned that her plants were music lovers. How did the plants respond when Revati played a favorite tune? When Revati played a favorite tune on her violin, the plants all bent their stems towards her even though there was no breeze. How did the plants react to the fast rhythmic music? When Revati played a tune with a quick rhythm, the plants turned away from her as though they did not like what she was playing. How did Revati prove to the organizers of the competition that the plants truly belonged to her? When Revati played a favorite tune, the plants bent their stems towards her as though they wanted to touch her in their happiness. This convinced the organizers that the plants were hers. What helped Revati to claim her plants? Her belief in magic or the belief in her convictions? Explain your choice. Her belief in her convictions helped Revati to claim her plants. She was sure that her plants were music lovers and would respond to her favorite raga as they had done before. There was no magic involved. It was a fact. A word chain consists of words of a certain category that begin with the letter that the previous word has ended with. Complete the word chain adding 4 nouns from the text. Music, courtyard, D, dash, 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 dash. Music, courtyard, days, surprise, evening, grief. Add the appropriate prefix to make the following words opposite in meaning. Continue, discontinue. possible, impossible, certain, uncertain, definite, indefinite, believe, disbelieve, important, unimportant, place, misplace, known, unknown, regular, irregular. Use the following expressions to make sentences of your own. Make up one's mind. One should think carefully before one makes up one's mind about anything important. Struck as hard. My friend's continuous laughter on seeing her marks struck me as hard. Knew no bounds. My joy knew no bounds when I saw the little puppy on my bed. Flash across one's mind. When Sonam saw the tears in Dia's eyes, it flashed across her mind that there was some problem. To surmise. When the teacher saw Naomi crying, she surmised that she had failed in the test. Not to deter. The loss of her leg did not deter Sudha Chandran from dancing. Imagine there is a best planned competition in the locality colony where you live. Frame a notice about the same in the form of an attractive poster. Cover the following points: name of the organization, name of the contest, day, date, venue, who can participate, prizes, contact details for further enquiry. You have to frame the notice of an attractive poster in this way on the following given points. Students have to follow this an example of framing the notice of an attractive poster on their own on the following given points. State the kinds of the following sentences. How aptly she played the violin. Exclamatory sentence. They all bent towards her. Assertive sentence. Don't play that quick tune. Imperative sentence. She kept the knowledge a secret. Assertive sentence. How can plants enjoy music? Interrogative sentence. How proudly did Revati carry home her prize? Exclamatory sentence. What could have taken my plants? Interrogative sentence. The organizers were not convinced. Assertive sentence. Make the following negative using the negative words given. There were a few potted plants in the courtyard. In bracket, not many. There were not many potted plants in the courtyard. They looked healthier than the other plants. In bracket, not as healthy as. The other plants did not look as healthy as these plants. She refused to share a secret. In bracket, would not. She would not share a secret. She went around asking everyone about her plants. In bracket, no one did not. She did not omit anyone when she went around asking about her plants. Make the following affirmative using the words given. There was no breeze. In bracket, hardly. There was hardly any breeze. Their ridicule did not deter her. In bracket, failed to. Their ridicule failed to deter her. Her mother knew nothing about it. In bracket, denied. Her mother denied knowing anything about it. She did not give up. In bracket, refused to. She refused to give up. Answer the following questions. Why did Revati change the pot's location? Revati changed the location of the pot because the plants in the pot were not getting sufficient sunlight. Name the favorite raga of Revati. Revati's favorite raga was Mohanam. What strange thing did Revati notice about the potted plant? The strange thing that Revati noticed about the potted plant was that They slowly moved their stems towards her when she was playing her violin. How did Revati confirm her new discovery? Revati confirmed a new discovery in following ways. She noticed that the stunted balsam plants moved towards her whenever she played Raga Mohanam. She played a different tune, then she noticed that the plants started moving away from her. What shock did Revati receive on the prize distribution day? On prize distribution day, Revati saw her lost pot of plants on a bench with the name of a distant neighbor of hers as the competitor. She got a shock when she saw this. How did Revati plan to convince the organizers that the plants were hers? Revati knew that her plants were music lovers. She planned to play the violin and show the organizers how her plants responded to her music and bent their stems towards her. This would convince them that the plants were hers. Why did the organizers refuse to believe that Revati's plants were music lovers? The organizers said that plants did not have ears like ours to listen to music. They had never heard of plants enjoying music. Hence, they refused to believe that Revati's plants were music lovers. Why had no one suspected that the neighbor had stolen the plants? The neighbor was a regular participant in the competition. Hence, no one suspected that she had stolen the plants. What is the happy end? In the end, the neighbor admitted that she had stolen the plants and that the plants were actually Revati's. The plants got the first prize. Everyone applauded Revati's discovery. Thus, the end of the story is a happy one. What impact does music have on human beings? Music can make human beings happy, sad, nostalgic, mournful, etc. It can soothe them when they are stressed. It can also convey a lot of emotions like love, anger, etc. that may not be conveyed easily through words. Do you think that music can have an impact on animals, birds, and even plants? Yes, definitely. It has already been proved by Jagdish Chandra Bose that plants respond to music. It is said that cows give more milk if they listen to good music. Our folklore is full of instances of snakes swaying to the music played by snake charmers.